Installing new windows is an important investment in your home, improving both its energy efficiency and aesthetics. Whether you're replacing old windows, upgrading your home's curb appeal, or simply improving insulation, choosing the right window installation service is essential. This guide will help homeowners in Auburn Hills select the best window installation service to ensure a smooth, efficient process from start to finish. Why professional window installation matters. Though DIY window installation may seem tempting, it's not a task for the average homeowner. Window installation involves precision, experience, and an understanding of building codes. Choosing a professional service ensures that your windows will function correctly, last longer, and maintain their energy efficiency. Here's why professional installation matters. Expertise and experience. Window installation services employ professionals who know how to install different types of windows correctly and efficiently. Quality workmanship. Professionals ensure that the installation is done without gaps or leaks, protecting your home from drafts and moisture. Safety. Installing windows requires handling heavy glass and working at heights, which can be dangerous without the proper tools and experience. Warranty protection. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to keep warranties valid. Hiring a professional installer ensures that your warranty remains intact. Key factors to consider when choosing a window installation service in Auburn Hills. Selecting the right window installation service is crucial to achieving the best results. Keep these factors in mind as you search for the right contractor for your project. Reputation and review. Start by researching the reputation of window installation companies in Auburn Hills. Customer reviews on sites like Google, Yelp, and Angie's List can give you an idea of a company's reliability and quality. Pay attention to feedback regarding the professionalism of their team, installation quality, and customer service. It's a good idea to ask for references or examples of past projects to gauge the company's experience. Experience and specialization. Experience matters in window installation. Look for a company that specializes in window replacement or installation and has a proven track record. The company should be able to handle the type of window you want, whether it's traditional double-hung windows, energy-efficient models, or custom designs. Experienced installers will be familiar with local building codes in Auburn Hills and will ensure your installation meets all requirements. License and insurance. Verify that the company is properly licensed to operate in Auburn Hills and is fully insured. Licensing ensures that the company adheres to local building codes and regulations, while insurance protects you in case of accidents during the installation process. Without insurance, you could be held liable for damages or injuries that occur on your property. Transparent pricing. Price should be a consideration, but it shouldn't be the only factor. Avoid companies that offer significantly lower prices than others, as they may cut corners or use inferior materials. Obtain quotes from multiple companies and ensure that the pricing is transparent. The quote should include labor, materials, and any additional costs, such as disposal fees or permit costs. This way, You can compare offers and choose a service that fits your budget without compromising on quality. Quality of materials. The best window installation services work with high-quality materials, from the frames to the glass. Choose a company that offers a variety of window options, such as energy-efficient models, impact-resistant glass, and durable frame materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood. High-quality materials can improve your home's insulation, reduce energy bills, and provide long-lasting value. Timeliness and customer service. Choose a window installation service that values your time. From initial consultations to the completion of the project, the company should be punctual and professional. Good customer service is essential. The company should respond promptly to your inquiries and be willing to address any concerns you may have. Ask how long the installation will take and whether the company can work within your preferred time frame. Questions to ask before hiring a window installation service. Before hiring a window installation service in Auburn Hills, be sure to ask the following questions. How long have you been in business? Are you licensed and insured? Can you provide references or reviews from past clients? What types of windows do you specialize in? What warranties do you offer on installation and materials? How long will the installation take? What is the process for addressing unexpected issues or changes during the installation? Final thoughts. Choosing the right window installation service in Auburn Hills is crucial for achieving optimal results. By prioritizing reputation, experience, quality of materials, and transparent pricing, you can ensure that your window installation project goes smoothly and that your home benefits from enhanced comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Be sure to do your research, ask the right questions, and work with a company that offers expertise and excellent customer service. With the right window installation team, you'll enjoy beautiful, high-performing windows for years to come.